Hi you guys, welcome back to Brittany Olivia, and in today's video we are going to be doing an unboxing with hot Miami shoes. You guys, I woke up one morning and I just bought a lot of shoes. It was an impulse buy, but it's definitely not my first time buying with them. I love them. Their customer service is great. Shipping is fast, always fast, you guys. So here is my box from Hot Miami Shoes, you guys. The shipping was literally like 3 days, you guys. It was really fast. And you know, they didn't have some of my sizes, but you know, they called me, texted me to let me know. And yeah, that's when I got a half size down, you guys. But other than that, I really do love Hot Miami Shoes, you guys. So I got a pair of slides. I got these. Take them out the thing. Everything comes in these little baggies. So I got these. I got these in a size 9, you guys. I normally wear an 8.5. So these are a size 9. I got them so I have a little bit more room, rather for them to be a little bit bigger than too small. So I got these in the size 9. Cute. And put these back in the bag. And next, you guys, a lot of stuff in here. I got some of these jelly shoes with the bling on it. I love these. I also got these in a size 9. These are in a size 9, you guys. These are really cute. Flexy, of course, because they're jelly shoes, you guys. It has the bows on the side. Not the bows. I don't know what these are. The clips, I don't know. The belt thing on the side, you guys. So I really like these shoes. These are so cute. I'm just gonna put these back in here. And you guys, forgot I got these. Ooh. I got these little tie-dye tennis shoes. What size did I get these in? I got these in an 8.5. I have 2 pair that I bought from another website, which took forever to get here. Remind you, I got these from Hot Miami Shoes. Took about 3 days to get here, okay? The other shoes I bought, it took like months. Maybe because it was the start of COVID, but these took 3 days. And it's tie-dye, which I absolutely love. Once again, I got these in an 8.5. I already knew what size I would wear in these because I already have some just from a different seller. These are too cute, you guys. Too cute. As you can see at the bottom, it has like the jelly see-through stuff. The fabric doesn't seem as thick as the one that I have downstairs though, but they're still cute. Still gonna wear them like crazy. Bottom, once again, this is an 8.5, you guys. 8.5. I already have so many shoes in my closet and downstairs in the basement. I don't know where I'm gonna put all these. It's not that many, but still, it adds. And you guys, the 4th pair, I have another pair of tennis shoes. And these are just blue. These are a 9. So the tie-dye that I just showed you, that was one of the sizes that they ran out of. So I just went down to an 8.5. But I did get these in a 9. These are navy blue. I think these are cute. I just like really simple shoes, you guys. I'm not gonna pay a whole bunch of money for a pair of shoes. I'm not gonna pay that amount for multiple. That's exactly what I did. So these are navy blue shoes, you guys. I think these are just super cute. Very simple. The other one, of course, it looks the same. These are a size 9. They look humongous in the camera. They really do. My feet aren't that big, are they? I normally wear 8.5. But I really do think these are cute. So you guys, if you're still watching, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload my next YouTube video. These are back in the bag. Okay, you guys. Shoe number 4, the same tennis shoes, just a different color. Got these in a tan. Whew, I really like these. Really like them. I really, really like these shoes, y'all. They're really cute. And once again, I ordered these in a 9, but they didn't have a 9 in these. So I got these in an 8.5, you guys, at 8.5. And also, I have these on my feet now, y'all. Couldn't resist myself. That's why the box was open in the beginning. I went ahead and got some bedroom shoes. They're just super cute, y'all. These are one size fits all, I believe. I can't remember. They have different colors, and they have red, blue. They might have these in like a rainbow color, tie-dye looking color. I think it's rainbow color. I can't remember. But I have it in different colors. But of course, red is one of my favorite colors. Black is my favorite color to wear, but red in general is my favorite color. And I think these are so cute and so comfortable, you guys. When I first put these shoes on, I was coming down the stairs and my puppy went running. I was like, what's wrong with you? She was afraid of the bedroom shoes, and I'm like, good, so you won't tear them up. But I really like these. They're so comfy. At first, they can be kind of hard to walk in because you got to get used to them. But other than that, they're comfy and warm. They'll come in better. They'll like be better during this winter when it's not hot outside. But y'all, these are really cute. And I really love these. They're really cute. Okay, guys, these are my last pair of shoes that I have. And these are it. They have the bow ties on them. They're super cute. I did wear these already just once. They're super cute, you guys, and they are comfortable. I don't want to touch the bottom since I wore them. So sorry. These are them. Our shoes. They're really cute, y'all. Really cute. Can't really go wrong with a pair of slides. Dude. They're really cute, you guys. So, out of everything, I'm not gonna show everything. Even though I haven't tried them on yet, I think these are my favorite. And the jelly slides and then the bedroom shoes are my absolute favorite. You guys, like I said, I woke up one morning, I was like, something just hit me. Like, if you don't spoil yourself, you guys, you really just gonna splurge, 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 and I ain't rich. Can't be doing that, okay? But y'all, these 3 are my favorite. I don't know where the other one is, but okay, this gonna do. I love these, okay? These 3 are my absolute favorite. I couldn't choose one because everything I bought from them I like, but these right here, just everything. I love it. I love everything, okay? So you guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload my next YouTube video. Yes, I said it again, so subscribe, 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 subscribe. Bye, you guys.